Okay, now I'm here on the Susquehanna once again, but right behind me is the west branch of the Susquehanna, and over here is the regular branch, I guess. I'll do a little panoramic here, show ya. So we're gonna do a little magnet fishing here. Enjoy the video. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Look at my links to the Beast Magnet. Get somebody for Christmas. They're on sale right now, so go for it. Okay, I think I'm gonna slide up by the bridge here. Got a little Cousin Eddie up there. But I won't get caught on rocks dragging this. I don't want to knot this all up again. What's the odds? Okay, got my beaster out here, my newer one. Looks pretty clear out here. Keep from getting caught up on all these rocks here. Shnikes. Oh, what do we have here? We just got a big chunk of metal right there. First one, that's what we like to see. Like to get something cool, but hey, we'll take it. Rolling in the sticks, and we got nada. Even better than we found it. Even though these aren't returnable, still aluminum. We got nothing. Nada. Scraps. Scraps, I say. Got the west branch up there. Nada. What we got out here? Do you see anything? I do not see anything. What we got here? We got nothing. I go right down here on the point. Get some bricks again. Here we are, right on the point. Look at this. I beat the boats up here. Oh, look at that rim right there. Some heavy metal right there. I can't carry that. Nice railroad bridge up there. If I can get under that. So much mud here. The mountains. Whoa, there's a lot of mud right here. What do we have? Oh, we have a lure. We have a nice muddy lure. We've got nothing but mud. One more. Whoa. Somebody's crock over there. A log right here. I'm gonna see what's between the log. I fought the log and the log one. Hope we don't turn into that. Right. Sink in the quicksand here. Whoa. Thought we had something. Come on. Take a minute. Eastbound down, 18 wheels rolling. We gonna do what they say can be done. Okay. So there we go. That's where east meets west here. Put myself on there. Where the west branch meets the east branch, or the regular Susquehanna, which starts all the way up in Cooperstown, New York, believe it or not, and ends up in the Chesapeake Bay. It's actually one of the longest rivers in the United States. Here we go. Hey, I am underneath the railroad bridge that you saw earlier. I think it's Shikellamy State Park I'm at right now. And right over there is where I was at. Remember that bridge over there? You can see it. And this is where we're at. So let's toss out here, see what we can find. It gets dark. Alright, we're out of batteries. Let's see what we got. We got a bunch of crusties. And we have more crusties. I think we got some metal over here. Maybe not, a shell. I thought I seen some metal over here. Yes, I do. What we got here? We got a pipe. Woohoo! Some pipe edge. Oh. Threw that one right through my legs. Ooh, look at that! Look who was in the pipe. Hi, Miss Crab. Hey, where's me money? Arr, I'm mad. Let me go. Yep, I got myself a hook. There's something right out there. Stepped on my rope again. Got something again. Whoa, what do we got? We got something heavy here. Oh, miss. Hey, look up, we got Cheez-It, boys. That's where the kids down in Sayre, they're Cheez-It. I gotta find that piece again. I don't know where exactly it is. Oh, we're finding all kinds of things now right in this little area. We got ourselves like a rivet. Is that it? I think I had something bigger than that. Here we go. Ah, nice big bolt. A nail. There it is. Oh. Big old chunk of metal. Chunk of metal. Oh, I can't see it from here. There it is. Oh, chunk of metal. Look at that sucker. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that. Looks like a beehive. Beehive, baby. Let's see, crapola. See, much scrapola here. See my beast dragging across the ground. That Mick Jagger song, my feet been dragging across the ground. Sure been long. Cold winter. It's not even begun. I'm singing cold winter songs. Oops. Ooh, thought I had something there. Stick. But we got something on there, some scrapolas. Ah. More scrapolas. Dun, 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 dun. What we got here? We got ourselves a spike and screw on the end of that. There we go. We got more scrapola. More scrapola. Oh, I see some color on there. What's that? I don't know. More scrapola. Throw up here a couple more times is where we found everything. Oh, look at this. Good hook. Hook. Scrapola. Okay, I have to throw unless we get something. Where should we go? Get something right there. Get something right there. No. Okay, I think we're done. Scraps. Hey, I hope you like this video. Got a little bit of stuff here at the railroad bridge here in this park. Shikellamy Park, I think it is. Not sure. Take a look at the bridge here. Pretty cool bridge. I wish I could have got across on the other side. Take me to the other side. That's where we were earlier, down on that bridge way down there. Beautiful area here. I wish I could have seen it a couple weeks earlier with all the leaves, but hey, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Tell your friends and everything. Hope to see you soon. Take care. Adios.